Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how to use Nano Banana in 3 simple steps. So first of all, on the Google search page, you have to search for Google AI Studio. Yeah, then just click on it. So then over here, you have to click on this icon and it will show you the settings, and right over here you have to click the Nano Banana model. Okay, so yeah, the Banana model is selected and now you have to throw your prompt. So let's create an image of a bright yellow sports car on. So let's see how it does. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to create a image, and there you go. So it created an image which looks amazing, and let's try another prompt to create another image. Cute. We have to say create an image of a cute white cat sitting on a wooden chair. You can turn on this enable Google Drive mode where all your conversations will be saved to your drive on Google, which is pretty good. So you can just go back to your conversation and look at the images which are created before. So yeah, so this is how you can create images using Nano Banana model, which is pretty easy, and I'll show you how to edit an image. So let's say edit the previous image to add a red on the hats. Wow, it gave an answer pretty quickly, and yeah, it also edited the previous image to add a red bow on the cat. And I'll also show you how you can edit your own images using Nano Banana. So for example, I'll just upload an image and let's see. Okay, suppose I upload this image. Start creating with media in Google AI Studio. Yeah, just accept the TOC, terms and use. So I'll say remove the character shown in the image. Let's see how it does. wow, it worked out pretty well. So it removed the character from the image and also created the specific frames by replacing it, which looks pretty good, honestly. It doesn't feel like this image was edited. It does feel like a bit, but you can just keep using more prompts and keep editing the image which you have. And also this model works pretty fast. And yeah, this is how you can use Nano Banana in 3 simple steps. Kindly let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video, and also let me know which AI tool or website I should cover next in my next videos. So also kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel for further updates on AI tools like this.